So let's say you've already set up the internal sales channel and you're ready to start either invoicing or write sales orders for your wholesale business. The next step is making sure that your CRM is all up to date. So Luminous will need your companies and contacts. That is the foundational data to your CRM. And this isn't unlike QuickBooks and honestly tons of other CRMs. Just note, Luminous is CRM. We have the concept of a company, we have a concept of a contact. We do not have the concept of a lead or a deal. Just keep that in mind. So if I go to Tools, Imports, and then I go to, there's two types. So there's Import B2B clients and Import B2B client users. So clients equals companies. The first thing that I'm going to do is do the companies. I can download the Excel template. Let me take a look at the data that I need. Here's all the data. I'm gonna go export my data, scrub it. What's most common is that you're exporting something from QuickBooks. I'm in QuickBooks right now. I'm gonna go to our customer contact list. I will export to Excel. Okay. So what I'm now going to do with this file is I'm going to scrub. Obviously, this is an incomplete list. We don't even have phone numbers or emails, but I'm going to scrub this list to match the format that needs to go into Luminous. So essentially, I'm going to take So I have the full name. I'm going to map it to a field in Luminous, my phone number, email, billing address, shipping address. Most of these exist. I guess the only difference is Luminous separates out the shipping address, the city, the state, the zip code. So you'll have to do scrubbing like that. You'll have to separate text to columns, probably to get the billing address instead of in one cell. You have to spread it across multiple cells. Basic scrubbing, not too bad. If you need to use a Luminous data entry person or get help from your implementation support rep, ask them. We're more than happy to help you guys scrub. But honestly, it's your data. We would recommend that you guys probably scrub it. We don't want to mess up sensitive data. Okay, so let's say we have this ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to import the companies, which has my name, the type, business address, city, state, zip, blah, 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 everything. We're gonna flag any value. So a common issue is if you don't have your client types set up, if it's not matching verbatim to the client type name. Next is importing your B2B client users. In other words, this is contacts. After I've imported my companies, I'm going to import my contacts. So contacts, this is the person that is linked to a company. So pretty straightforward here, very similar to what I already showed you. So we have the company name, we have the first name, last name, email, phone number, and the sales rep. Okay, so this is a very basic import. Nothing too crazy going on here. Same thing, you'll probably export it from a source, scrub it, and then your step number 2 is to put in the contacts. Now, again, keep in mind, the biggest thing here is making sure that the company name matches verbatim to the company name that was just imported. It will now nest under that. And ta-da! You have now imported your companies and your contacts. It will look something like this. So if you go to Sales CRM, you'll be able to see all the details that you imported and contacts underneath that as well. And that's it.